Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect swimsuit for that mom bod? Then I highly recommend this one piece by CUPSHE. I purchased this swimsuit before our beach trip that we took recently because of the tummy control, and let me tell you, it is so good. So if you are a mama and you need a little extra help in that midsection, then I definitely recommend this swimsuit. It held everything in all day and was so comfortable. I absolutely love the pattern on this swimsuit. It's so adorable. The colors are so cute, and I just love the little ruffles on the sleeves, and I really appreciate that it ties in the back so that you're able to make it as tight or as loose as you would like. And I have several CUPSHE swimsuits and I love them all. It is so adorable and so comfortable, but that's just my point of view.